Ambient AI quietly knits intelligence into daily life, turning your surroundings into a responsive assistant that learns from you. Historically, we moved from bulky desktops to cloud services, and now, tiny sensors anticipate needs before asking without interrupting your flow. A coffee shop adjusts lighting and music when you enter, while streets tune signals to keep pedestrians safe without being obtrusive. These shifts could reshape work, health, and transport by reducing chores and predicting issues early in everyday life. Understanding this trend helps us weigh privacy and equity as technology quietly transforms society for everyone.